Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda 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 Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda
आनन्दं परमसुखं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं दमनमचलं सर्वदे साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। Nityanandam. Welcome to Sri Kailasha Kotiyar Manifesting Power Session. Welcome everybody. Such an intense satsang. Let's start the power manifestation beyond session. It sits straight. The possibility of what is happening. Bhagavan is giving us a breakthrough of organic vaccination in different levels. He's giving us the understanding how Tyaga intensifies when love becomes more, when your Hridaya heart is filled with Bhagavan, and how more and more you are in love with Bhagavan, Tyaga simply happens. More and more living that space of Tyaga, oneness with Paramashiva, is the ultimate, makes everything so beautiful and easy. Welcome doing the morning routine manifesting power session. The mood swings completely vanish away. Such Bhagavan has once blissful, said to beautiful space in the morning. The maximum diksha contemplation is happening in your mind. We're all going to have, when you are very clear, such a beautiful space that we can meet in the morning, Swamiji, in person, a clarity how during Sabari yoga and puja, the old lady, who was Hunter's daughter, yoga, and she used to eat non-veg as aligned to the cosmic. She used to kill animals and everything. Mind, and she was body, emotion, everything is completely not liking it, and she gave up reality, eating non-veg, and became same way doing puja, and she left you as Paramashiva in search of himself, higher reality, as offering, and lived in sage Matanga, simply holding that oneness space, doing just seva of cleaning everything.
She was so
and
dedicated.
continuously doing
Sage
this
Matanga blessed
yoga
her,
and the
Puja
Rama
and the
would
Brahma
come
Muhurta and liberate
simply
her.
makes us aligned
And
to
she
the
waited and waited and waited
coherence
and
of the
waited.
brain, the clarity
when
that it
Rama
brings. So the
went
emotional
for
ups
search of
and downs
Sita,
does
he
not
comes
affect us.
to the ashram
And Bhagavan
stays with
simply
Sabari,
says,
and
there's
she
a nadi
literally
which was
waits
there in
and
human
does
being which is lost
such a
now.
beautiful space.
Simply
She
starts happening.
experiences.
Then
She plucks
you
the
start
fruits,
doing yoga
eats
in the
it,
Brahma
and
Muhurta.
sees whether
It's
it
so
is sweet
powerful.
enough to give
It's
Rama,
not just
and
flexing
then
our
offers
muscles or building our
such
muscles
a wonderful space
or getting
of
some strength,
Sabari,
but
and
it's
how
much beyond
she
the
lived
Brahma Muhurta.
under Sage
If you
Matanga.
heard
He
that
was
maximum
so
number of heart
excited
attacks happen
to
in
talk
the
about her
early
guru
morning,
continuously to
how
Rama,
much we
and
are
simply Rama blessed
aligned
to see the joy in her,
and
to
how much
celebrate
the
her guru,
confusion
and simply liberated her.
happens in the ordinary world
Beautifully,
while
Bhagavan
doing
has
all the
made
yoga
us
and
really
puja in that time,
detox ourselves,
releases from all
Pachapatni
that
Virdam,
and
each
aligns
and every
us to the
time
highest reality.
that he praises us
Each
by
and everything
detoxing
Bhagavan
us.
says
New
completely
reality
true and
starts
completely
manifesting in us.
living the
Such
Charya
a blissful
Pada,
space, such a
simple
peaceful
lifestyle
space
that Bhagavan
in
has
the
given.
inner space starts
And
flowering
Yoga
in all of
Pada,
us.
Kriya Pada,
Whoever is
and Jnana
experiencing
Pada,
that
how
is
he
doing the
says,
Panchapatni Virdam
simply
so
the
beautifully
coronavirus
and enjoying
should
the
be
whole thing. Nothing is
really
disturbing. It's as though
completely
everything
wiped
is
out when
perfectly
you
fine.
are in the Panchapatni
The
Vridam.
beautiful space Ramana
is
Maharshi
simple
went through when
fasting
he went
for
through a
28
death
days,
experience.
letting
His friend
go
asked,
all the
for
reactionary
past 1
assumption.
month you're coming to school, don't you?
Most of the
You
reactionary
have never
assumption is
told
from the
me
food
what
that
happened.
we eat.
And he says,
If we
oh,
sit
I
for
thought it's a bliss
meditation, the only
disease.
thing which goes on inside
Something
is our
happened.
mind
I
is
don't know what it
completely
is.
chaosed.
Like that.
And to
Each
settle
and
down, it
every
takes so long.
detox,
But
Nirahara,
doing this yoga,
Pachapatni,
doing the
everything
puja,
gives us
it
a
is
higher
literally settling
peaceful
our inner
space.
space.
And such
And
a peaceful space,
Panchapati
Paramashanta
Rhythm,
Swarupa inside,
the Virahara
Bhagavan
Samyama that
himself manifests
Bhagavan has
as
given,
each and
settles our
everything
inner space
around
to
us.
such coherence,
Such a
understanding
beautiful
we
darshan
can start
diksha,
living the
and
higher
how Tyaga
cognition, higher
of
reality,
these outer
that
world,
space of Tyaga,
and
space
going
of love.
deeper and deeper
Simply
as
because our
Bhagavan
inner
guides
space
with
is completely
such a strength,
settled.
and he himself
Even
makes it
whatever
happen
we want to
for
strategize,
us.
it
Just
becomes
living the presence
so
of
natural
Bhagavan
and
again
real,
and again,
not
we
changing
can
every
experience the
hour,
highest
but
reality.
more clarity.
So with that
And
space,
more in
let's go
oneness
to the
with
Shastra
Paramashiva,
Pramana today.
the right decisions that we make, rise thought current we carry, and less confusion and less chaos that happens inside us. The conflicts simply reduces and vanish away. So fine. Each and everything that Bhagavan gives us is such a powerful space. And with that powerful space, the darshan and diksha, let's go to the Shastra Pramana today.
The Shastra Pramana for the power to alter matter within the body is taken from the Shiva Sutra, Sutra 3.43. Bhutakanchukitada vimukto bhuyah pati samah paraha Bhutakanchukitada vimukto bhuyah pati samah
Going beyond the
paraha.
5 element, the Panchabhuta that
Such
Bhagavan
a
has
beautiful
given us
sutra.
again and again to
Exactly what
empower
given us
the whole Panchabhuta
from
in
the
our
Shiva
mind.
Sutra
The
3.43.
the water,
Power
the
to
fire,
fill up
air,
your
and
or
ether.
empty the stomach.
So each
to
of
the
these
third eye.
elements completely
For
binds us because we
him, 5
are
elements are
completely
only the covering.
given the
At the
mind, the
very
attention.
moment he is absolutely liberated.
From the mind, if we
supreme and just like
continuously
Shiva.
move the
How
attention
Bhagavan said,
to
the
the
earth element,
breath,
when
he
we are
says
very
here,
rigid, we are caught
Bhagavan
up in the
himself
earth element.
inside us,
When
manifesting
in the
through
water
us,
element,
simply
when we are
know the mind
emotional
is too
ups
small
and down, the
to
mood
even
swings,
disturb us
and
or
continuously in up and down,
possess us.
we are not able to think
Here,
what we really
when you
want.
are
The coherence does not
continuously
happen.
in the space of
and
consciousness,
the fire
when you decide
element
to
completely
live
tired
as
and bored,
Bhagwan himself
and
manifesting
the
through you.
air element, the
In
boredom leads
every
to the
action,
suicide.
in every
All
thought,
this
in every
depression,
way, you're
boredom,
blissed out that
tiredness,
Bhagwan is inside,
the tiredness
possessing
that the
you,
water element
continuously
holds,
manifesting through you.
whole
The
space
mind
of
simply
confusion,
let
chaos,
merges
struggle, all
and
these
lets
are
go the
part
five
of
element
the
which is
five
possessing the
elements
whole thing.
that we are
Simply
struggling
we can
with
realize the
to settle
ultimate
those
oneness
elements
happening,
and raise
the
ourselves to the
entanglement
higher
happening,
reality.
and nothing
Bhagwan's once come
matters
down
or
when
nothing
Vaigai
touches
river
us,
was over
and everything
flooding
is happening
because
beyond
they
and beautiful
jailed
space
Manika
of
Vasudha.
oneness with Paramashiva.
And Bhagavan
Recognizing
comes
the
down,
Paramashiva in you
comes down
from the Paramashanta
to help
Swarupa, from the space
embark
of
the
oneness, from the space
Vaigai
of peace
in Madurai
and
completely
completely
the
blissed
old
out,
lady
and
and
asks
beautiful
her
space
for
that
Bhagwan
some
is
food,
inside,
and she gives some
manifesting
very
as
nice
every
sweet,
object,
and he
every
eats the
being,
sweet and
every
goes and lies
thing
down
again and
instead of
again,
doing anything.
living in every
The guards come and
dimension,
say, "Why are
seeing
you lying
everything
down
as
instead
Bhagwan,
of building the
and seeing
embankment
everything
for
as
the river not to overflow?"
consciousness.
He simply smiles
liberates
and go back
us
to sleep.
from the five
So King
element
himself
which has
comes
been empowered by the
and
mind.
he
The
asks,
more and
"Why are you
more we
lying
step
down and
out
not working?"
of the
And
five
he
element
takes the
into the oneness with Paramashiva,
wand
the entanglement,
and hits
more and more we
Bhagwan.
rejoice
And
the
when he
space
hits
of oneness.
everybody,
In our
every
Hridaya, in
being
our
on
heart,
planet Earth or
simply
any
we
other
start
part of any
manifesting
other
the
dimension,
greater reality,
felt
Tyaga
that
of letting
pain,
go, this
that
unrealistic
whatever
world, the
he went
delusion,
to show
and
that
understanding the
everything, the whole
that
world
this
is
is
filled
very
with the
reactionary
same
assumptions that
consciousness
Bhagwan is
that
continuously telling us.
the
And
king was
raising
also
ourselves
having
to the
inside
space
him.
of
The king
Bhagwan,
also
the
felt
darshan, the diksha,
the beating on
and the
himself.
tyaga that he explains
So when
every
he
day,
felt the
how
beating, he simply
intangible
surrendered to
is.
Paramashiva
It
and
is
said, "I did not
something
know
which
that
we
it is you who has
experience
come down,
and
please
which
save us from
we
this flooding
understand
and tell
and
us
start
what we
living
need
the
to do."
higher reality
Bhagwan
and higher
himself comes
possibility
down and
that
makes
Bhagwan
all of us
himself
experience
is manifesting in
this
us,
great
through
signs
us,
that
and through all of
everything
us
is
in the
Paramashiva.
ultimate oneness
Everything is consciousness.
possibility.
And that is the existential reality. Many times he comes down to show us
Sorry for the technical
the
glitch.
highest reality. Now Bhagwan himself has told us he is going to be in the Vrita, but actually he will be making sure all of us who are in the Vrita will be filled up with the stomach full. Once Bhagwan was sitting around and he said, "Okay, I finish eating, now all of you will be full." And we all felt completely full. And the best part, we forgot about the food. We did not even remember about the food after he said that. It was completely erased out of our memory that whether we had food or not. So such powerful space when Bhagwan starts fasting with us. He not fast, but makes us complete and fulfilled and overflowing with joy. Same Krishna, when he ate, he told his gopikas that all of them will be full, and they all felt completely eaten every single dish. All these great things Bhagwan gives us, and we have to only experience by doing the tyaga of not getting into reactionary assumption, but living that beautiful space of oneness with Bhagwan. When he says buttermilk and panagam, simply living that space, you will be full. And it's not that you'll feel empty and hungry, but simply taking that, Bhagwan has already programmed whoever is taking that is completely taken care also. When Bhagwan himself is doing that, simply we feel that complete space of oneness. And for all of us to experience that, he himself comes down and plays all these leelas. So with that space, let's go to the instruction. Today we are going to, of course, we are with the empty stomach, so we can fill the stomach just by tyaga, pure love in the hridaya, and continuously chanting the Mahavakya. Now let's sit straight with the head, neck and back in a straight line. Contemplate on the great truth Bhagwan has given and hold that space of oneness in the darshan that he has given now, the beautiful darshan and the diksha, the initiation that is mainly taking out all our incompletion and surrendering to Bhagavan again and again makes us completely in oneness. The Shaktipada with Bhagavan starts happening. And chanting the Mahavakya, the mantra diksha that we got, literally our whole body vibrates. Every part of our body, every cell of the body vibrates with the Mahavakya that he had given. When we contemplate and chant the Mahavakya, feeling the oneness with Paramashiva in our hearts continuously, simply we will see any power manifest in front of us absolutely. So let's sit straight, visualize Bhagavan in third eye, continuously contemplate and chant the Mahavakya, Om Nityananda Paramashivoham.
Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Shivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 Om परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द Shivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 Om Nityananda
Sorry for the technical
Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda 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 Paramashivoham.
Again and again to live
Om Nityananda
more and more you start
Paramashivoham.
seeing everything as Paramashiva, everything as
Om
Himself.
Nityananda
Manifest the highest
Paramashivoham.
and chant the Mahavakya.
Nityananda
Paramashiva.
Paramashivoham. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda 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 Paramashivoham. Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om 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 Nityananda Paramashivoham.
Start from oneness with Shiva in your heart.
Om
And start sharing and living
Nityananda
that space with others. You will
Paramashivoham.
find that simply they align to the higher reality and
Nityananda
start understanding, start
Paramashivoham.
realizing, and start literally being part of what you are. The
Nityananda
more you are aligned without the reality assumptions, the good space, and the delusions, you
Nityananda
will be able to cross others also the same space. So that is what Bhagavan has told us as a daily
Nityananda
routine. Go ahead and
Paramashivoham.
and cause everybody, not by
Om
marketing or causing, by
Nityananda
convincing, but by living in
Paramashivoham.
in the oneness with Paramashiva.
Om Nityananda
Simply people around you
Paramashivoham.
start in that reality that you want.
Om Nityananda Paramashivoham.
He said millions of Gurukul are happening around the world.
Nityananda
Every month,
Paramashivoham.
and so many kids are attending the online Gurukul. Parents are so happy. So many testimonials you will see from
Paramashivoham.
many parts of the world. The parents are so happy to see the changes in the children. Because of this child, all this happens very quickly. How they start with the Sirsasana, that is the standing upside down.
Nityananda
Everything for them is very easy because they are not in the reactionary assumption life. Till 21, they are only in the oneness of Shiva and they can
Paramashivoham.
clone him and manifest Bhagavan inside them immediately when they align to all the truth. So giving them an opportunity once a week to align themselves to this greater truth is Nityananda Gurukul, online Gurukul. If you would like to see the joy and fun in the kids and enjoy that space, you being part of Acharya registration, you
Paramashivoham.
higher reality, just seeing the kids
Om
in oneness with Shiva.
Nityananda
Bhagavan has given this oneness
Paramashivoham.
with Avatar, ultimate program that's going on, and you can
Nityananda
feel how Bhagavan is giving the space of Paramagiri Yogeshwara to give the experience for the participants, and how amazing Bhagavan has really given us that possibility for us to realize the higher dimension of us, the higher reality. Anything that Bhagavan gives, don't miss even one opportunity in any way. How much ever possible, do that. for the next batch to experience the highest
Paramashivoham.
truth. Yes, the dates will be published soon because of coronavirus. The dates will be correctly published soon. And simply you can experience the higher reality
Om
with Bhagwan.
Nityananda
And Bhagwan's weekend program
Paramashivoham.
every week conducts for us to experience the ultimate.
Nityananda
Cause as many people as you can and bring yourself also to experience the ultimate again and again. Into the mantra Diksha, into the Spirit Diksha and the Samaya Diksha,
Paramashivoham.
which makes us the authority to worship Parameshiva himself through the Abhishekam and Alkar and the Puja. Such a wonder space that Bhagwan creates for all of us in such a small two-day program, and simply makes us understand the higher reality that why we have come to planet Earth, completely celebrating the highest vector of Paramashiva starts happening in all of us when we start living in the wonder space of Paramashiva. So with that little space, surrender to Bhagwan's lotus feet, all the thoughts and ideas and everything that we have, and the power manifestation of the Ashtar knowledge, Bhagwan's lotus feet. Again, surrendering to Bhagwan's lotus feet, we gains in confidence and is able to do Yaga so beautifully. This was Bhagwan in the present space. Yaga and love as your existential reality. The more and more we make the Yaga as our lifestyle, the more and more we can experience Bhagwan inside us, overflowing with joy, bliss, and ultimate which happens in all of us. So with that beautiful space, let's visualize Bhagwan in paradise and end the session with the mantra.
Paramashivoham. Nityananda Paramashivoham. Nityananda Paramashivoham. Nityananda Paramashivoham.
See you in the next power manifestation session.
Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om 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 Nityananda Shivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 Om Nityananda Shivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 Om Nityananda Paramashivoham.
Nityananda, please take a picture of the bowl of water and the stick or whatever object you have put in that, and please share with everybody in tinyurl.com/powermanifestation. Again and again, every day, Charya Pada, Kriya Pada, Yoga Pada, Jnana Pada. Jnana Pada is you manifesting the greater reality, the manifestation of Bhagwan, the Leela, through all of us. Just we came here to celebrate Bhagwan, continuously enjoying, continuously holding the oneness space in every action, in every thought, not diverting to your mind whether it's logically possible, impossible, this can be done, this can't be done, I don't have time, how do I do things? The Pachapatni Vridam is the best example to break all that impossibility, because all that is just the dream, just the mind. How we are caught up in the delusion, and Bhagwan is raising us continuously into the higher reality. Holding Bhagwan in your heart continuously in every action, consciously doing that, breaks free from the elementary field, and living that and enjoying that, celebrating that, the oneness space in your heart continuously makes you more and more out of this delusion. And sharing that with the world, enriching the world with the great signs that Bhagavan is giving us, especially Pachapati Vridam, the fasting that we are taken up, sharing that with the world will heal the world. Making again and again a contribution for others liberates us from that delusion, and causing people more and more to come and get the blessings of Bhagwan again and again simply liberates us. Anugraha happens in us. It's we who pull us up or we who push us into delusion. It is our own will that we are doing it again and again. When Bhagwan guides us and pulls us out of delusion, going along with him will make us realize the next possible dimension, that is immortality Bhagwan gives us. Living forever, eternal, in the presence of Bhagwan is the ultimate gift Bhagwan has given us. And sharing that experience and manifesting all these powers continuously is the greatest gift that we have got. With that, let's surrender all these great truths and the power manifestation to Swamiji's lotus feet. Again and again, whenever we manifest or don't manifest, surrendering to Bhagwan's feet, whether things happen or not, understanding everything, surrendering to his lotus feet, again and again, expands us, brings us the confidence that he is the doer, he is the doing, and he is only getting everything done. And everything is nothing but him himself, manifested at different things, just for the Leela that Bhagwan is playing. With that, let's visualize Bhagwan in the third eye with a deep prayer and gratitude, asking Bhagwan to make Tyaga, Kailasha, as your reality, so that you can be in the presence of Bhagwan, manifesting all these powers and living as Kailashavasi. So with that, let's visualize Bhagwan in third eye and end with the Purna Mantra. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purna Purnamudashyate Purnasya Purnamataya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat Sarvam Bhagavate Sri Nityananda Paramashivam Padukarpanamastu. Om Nityanandam. Thank you, Nityanandam. Thank you, Bhagwan. Thank you, each and every one of you. See you on the next Power Manifestation session. Nityanandam.